Sitting or working on a traditional tailgate can be annoying or downright painful. Deezee's tailgate board offers a flat and practical surface for the work site or having fun. Deezee has been helping you protect your tailgate for years, and this new tailgate board is a great solution for many problems you never knew that you had. There are many practical uses for the tailgate board, like preparing dinner by the campfire or tailgating with friends. There are no toxic chemicals in the board, so you can cut food right here on this surface. And the best part is, you can just wipe it down and sanitize it with no trouble. Or, after a long day on the river, pull open your tailgate for access to the perfect place to prepare or store your catch. Cleanup is easy and you don't have to worry about stains. The 1/2-inch thick HDPE polymer design is perfect for the job site as well. It is durable and impact resistant, so you can slide tools, boards, and more into your truck bed with ease thanks to the flat, smooth surface. Once you install the tailgate board, you can leave it in place as it does not interfere with bed covers or spray-in bed liners. And not only does it work with bed mats and liners, the 1/2-inch thick design helps to level your tailgate with the top of the liner, preventing that annoying snag point when sliding cargo into the bed. Deezee has added some practical and fun details as well, like these cup holders. They have also inlaid the outline of the USA and the state of Iowa. Why? Because it's made right here in America's heartland. The tailgate board is a super easy installation and should take you under 10 minutes to install. You just remove the factory screws holding the inner tailgate cover in place. Lay the tailgate board over the factory cover. Then install the longer Deezee provided screws into the factory screw holes, and it's done. If you are interested in purchasing the Deezee tailgate board or looking to have one installed, check out the dealer locator below and subscribe for new product videos each week. Thanks for hanging out with us on In the Garage, and we'll see you next time.